present now is my past, so lost in a familiar place, while everybody's moving on, and I try to keep up with the pace, but I don't know what's going on.
Can you like that?
Yep, go ahead. That's right. Nice. Good work. Let's haul it out of here, okay?
Showtime.
Everybody seems to know where they are going to. I don't know if I should leave or stay, if I am already on my way, but it feels like I'm running backwards all the time. It feels like I am being left behind. It feels like I'm running backwards all the time. Yeah, it feels like I am being left
Today is the day that we hand over the build to the boys. Are you guys ready to do this?
Yes.
All right. You want to get this block out of here for me? Hop in the buggy and I'll meet you up at the house.
Okay.
Ready, Elbo?
Yes.
Hop in. All right, Haiti, do you want to tell everybody what the plan is for today?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, guys, we'll start building our mobile chicken coops floor.
That's right. And step one is going to be getting the pressure treated boards on either side. All right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. Pull it up. There you go. Good job. You got some muscle for me, Hade? All right. All right, Haiti, tell us what you're doing.
I'm putting in the washer on,
Okay.
then the lock washer,
Okay.
then the nut.
Perfect. Got it?
Wait, whoa. Got it.
So we've got the 2x12s attached to either side. This is what the platform is going to sit on. So now we are getting ready to start building the platform. Looks like we've got a bit of a storm rolling in, so I'm not quite sure how far we're going to get today, but we'll see. Okay guys, so we are gonna go down these boards on either side and we're gonna measure every 16 inches and you guys are gonna place these little connectors, or you can do the measuring tape, either one. Okay. So we're gonna have boards that sit on these going across, and that's gonna be what ties together the whole platform. Okay. All right. Look me right here, Hayden.
16 inches.
Yes. So everywhere there's a red mark on the measuring tape is 16 inches, okay? So that's where your clasp is gonna go. So we got rained out yesterday afternoon. We're back at it today. We have a beautiful sunny day. The nice thing about yesterday was we were able to work in the shade the whole time. Today we're going to be out in the sun, but that's all right. So I'm going to show you guys, we had gotten a couple of these screwed down before the rain started coming down, so that's where we're going to start today, is screwing those down. But Inspector Josh came home and he's already making some changes. So if you remember yesterday, I had notched out a board so it would fit right in here. That 2x12 Josh decided was not necessary, so he went ahead and helped me take it out. And the other change that I'm going to make that I was waiting for his opinion on is this board right here. I wasn't sure if I was going to have enough clearance right here, and there is some, but if we start bumping going through the pasture, I'm worried that it's going to knock this. So what we're going to do is take this off, and we're going to get it moved back a little bit. But first, we need to get all of these little guys screwed in, so that's what we're starting with. I put the power tools away, but not the screws. Take this hand and put him back there to push him out. Good job. Okay, so I have all the little connectors on this side. Some of these were just a pain in the butt to get down. Like, you can see this one right here. They were tough to get down. He's not completely like flush with the boards like he should be, like on this side. So I'm not exactly sure how happy Josh is going to be with that. I guess we'll have to wait and see. What do you think? You think we're going to get Dad's approval?
No.
Okay, you want to do it the rest of the way? Perfect. Okay, so that's as far as we are going to go for right now. This little one needs a nap, and we are going to wait until Dad gets home to inspect our work so far before we put the boards on the sides. What do you guys think?
Awesome.
Yeah.
I love it.
Do you like it, Hayden?
Yeah.
All right, good work, guys. Let's wait for Dad. You think we'll pass our inspection?
I don't know. Maybe or maybe not.
We'll have to wait and see.
Yeah.
The inspector's here.
Hail! How you be alright? Good job. It's a big deal.
Cool. So you like it?
I do. Good job. How long did it take?
I mean, we did some yesterday that you saw, and I fixed that. I still need to move this board back a little bit that's on the wheel. I haven't done that yet. And then we did the rest today. So, I mean, not long, a couple hours altogether.
Good.
The boys were huge helps. They did great. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
So I guess we did all right, eh?
Hey.
So are we approved to put the boards on the sides?
So.
All right. Okay, so Josh is home. He gave us the go-ahead to get the sideboards nailed on, gave me a hand to do it, and that's it. We're done.
Yeah, so good job to Erin and the kids.
Thank
Fantastic
you.
job. Pleasantly surprised. No, I shouldn't be actually, because you did build a house with me, so you got it. But good job. So
Thank you.
next task is what?
Walls.
Walls.
Next we're going to be on to the walls, so
Yep.
that'll be interesting to see how it goes. It's been fun so far. I think that the kids have had a really good time
Yep.
doing it, so yeah, that's it.
Cool. Easy enough.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you Friday with the next house build video and next Wednesday with the next portion of the chicken coop build.
Yep. See ya.
Bye. Okay, it is now time to race miniature Josh. I compete to win, you know that, right?
One more. Good set.
Go!
Push, 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 Hayden, go!
Come on, it's Ellie's turn.
Go!
Ellie, go!
Go!
Get him, get him, get him, get him! Get set, go! 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 Go!
Oh, it's more. Go!